Yeah, it's your boy Schizo, you know what I mean? Fast Money Boss, man. GGM Boss, man. You know what I mean? Just letting y'all niggas know who I be. You know what I mean? The name of my brand and what they expect from me and my brand, you know. We got a lot of shit going on right now. We got a movement going on, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all familiar with it, but if you're not, you know what I'm saying, you will. You know what I'm saying? It's me, my nigga Tanner, my nigga Infy Tanner, my nigga Streets, Rio, Star, you know what I mean? BZ, Dino, Skinny, you know, we working, man. You know, we all got projects. Street Kid got the new mixtape, Show and Prove, you know what I'm saying? That's about to drop. You know, Tanner got Tanner Season Part 1 and 2. You know what I'm saying? 2 and 3 about to drop. You know what I'm saying? Me, myself, I got In It to Win It Part 1, 2, and 3. So I'm cooking that right now. You know what I'm saying? It's almost, really, you know what I mean? Everything is almost finished, you know what I mean? So, one thing right now, we just working. I'm just working right now, you know what I'm saying? To get all of my joints finished, you know what I mean? Y'all gonna hear some joints real soon, though. You know what I mean? You know, BZ and Dino, they doing their thing. They got some shit going on right now. They working on the mixtape together. Shout out to Star, he doing this thing. Shout out to Rio. You know what I mean? Rio got a mixtape out. You know, Skinny and DC doing this thing. So we pretty much working, you feel me? You know what I mean? As far as Fast Money, you know what I'm saying? That's me and my nigga YC. Shout out to YC. You know what I mean? We the one co-founder. We the founders of Fast Money. You know what I'm saying? Like we just put that together. You know what I mean? We got a compilation coming too. You know what I'm saying? And oh yeah, GGM compilation too. Us versus them. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be on the lookout for that. But YC, he working on a mixtape right now on Birth of a Leader. You know what it is, and other than that, we just working, you know what I mean? Grind don't stop, man. From the streets to the beach, from the beach to the streets, man. It don't stop. You just know what it is, man. You know what it is, man. So, y'all niggas stay in tune, you know what I'm saying? Be on the lookout. You know, we out here. We out here, man. I mean, we out here, so, you know. Shout out to everybody that fuck with a nigga. EC, stand the fuck up. Slugger, what up? You know what I mean? Shout out to Dre Boy, Lim Bim, Squire Fire, Ganny, Blimp, Debo, Dollar. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody that fuck with a nigga, man, I fuck with you back. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with y'all niggas. You know what I mean? So, you know, shout out to all my real right homies. You know what I'm saying? You niggas know what it is. Through the eyes of a warrior to my Billies. You know, shout out to my niggas everywhere. All the Billies in Bull City, from the R, you know what I mean, EC, VA, up top, GA. You know, we everywhere. Philadelphia, we everywhere, nigga. Greensville. Shout out to my big homie KO. You know what I mean? Shout out to everybody, man. You know what I'm saying? Free all my real right niggas, man. But yeah, man, y'all niggas be on the lookout, man. We coming real soon, man. Real talk, you know what I mean? So, you know, fuck with me.